Misreading road signs can cost you on the DMV test, but if you know the correct signs, passing will be very easy. Okay, let's dive in. Identify this road sign. A. Railroad crossing ahead. B. Railroad crossing, crossbuck. Great start. That's the railroad crossing ahead sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. No right turn on red. B. No right turn. Correct. It is the no right turn sign. What is this road sign? A. Pedestrian crossing ahead. B. Pedestrians crossing. Excellent. It is the pedestrian crossing ahead sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Do not enter. B. No straight through. Well spotted. It is the do not enter sign. Guess this road sign. A. Speed limit ahead. B. Speed limit. Good observation. That's the speed limit sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Road narrows. B. Single lane transition. Correct. It is the road narrows sign. What is this road sign? A. Flagger ahead. B. Workers ahead. Excellent. It is the workers ahead sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Bicycle route. B. Bike route. Great catch. That is the bicycle route sign. Guess this road sign. A. Divided highway begins. B. Divided highway ends. Correct. It is the divided highway end sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Crosswind sign. B. Dangerous crosswinds. Well spotted. It is the crosswind sign. What is this road sign? A. Turn right. B. Curve right. Excellent. That is the curve right sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Keep right of obstacles. B. Keep right. Correct. It is the keep right of obstacles sign. Guess this road sign. A. Reverse turn, right. B. Reverse curve, right. Correct. That's the reverse turn right sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Bike lane. B. Bike route. Well spotted. It is the bike route sign. What is this road sign? A. Side road left. B. Merge left. Excellent. It is the side road left sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Keep left. B. Keep left of obstacles. Correct. It is the keep left of obstacles sign. Guess this road sign. A. Crossroad. B. Offset side roads. Nicely done. That is the offset side road sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. No trucks. B. Lorries prohibited. Great observation. It is the no trucks sign. What is this road sign? A. National network route. B. Truck route sign. Correct. That is the truck route sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. No all-terrain vehicles. B. No snowmobiles. Excellent. It is the no all-terrain vehicles sign. Guess this road sign. A. Lane ends merge right. B. Lane ends merge left. Correct. It is the lane ends merge left sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. School bus entrance. B. School bus stop ahead. Well spotted. It is the school bus entrance sign. What is this road sign? A. No bicycles. B. No cycling. Excellent. It is the no bicycles sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Grooved pavement. B. Pavement ends. Correct. It is the pavement end sign. Guess this road sign. A. Curve left. B. Turn left. Great catch. That is the curve left sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Bump. B. Uneven road ahead. Great catch. It is the uneven road ahead sign. What is this road sign? A. Reverse curve left. B. Reverse turn left. Correct. It is the reverse curve left sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Traffic merging from right. B. Added right lane. Excellent. It is the added right lane sign. Guess this road sign. A. Gasoline. B. Diesel fuel. Excellent. It is the gasoline sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Fire truck entrance. B. Emergency vehicle. Correct. It is the fire truck entrance sign. What is this road sign? A. Divided highway crossing, T intersection. B. Divided highway crossing. Nicely done. That is the divided highway crossing sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Turn left. B. Sharp left turn ahead. Correct. It is the sharp left turn ahead sign. Guess this road sign. A. Handicapped. B. Handicapped accessible. Great start. That's the handicapped sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Rest area. B. Lodging. Correct. It is the lodging sign. What is this road sign? A. Litter container. B. No littering. Excellent. It is the litter container sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Bare area. B. Bare crossing sign. Great catch. It is the bare crossing sign. Guess this road sign. A. Do not drive on tracks. B. Low ground clearance crossing. Correct. It is the Do not drive on tracks sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Two-way traffic, 3 lane, 2 opposite. B. Two-way traffic, 3 lane, 1 opposite. Well spotted. It is the two-way traffic, 3 lane, 1 opposite sign. What is this road sign? A. Side road at an acute angle right. B. Side road at an obtuse angle right. Excellent. It is the side road at an acute angle right sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Pavement ends. B. Grooved pavement. Correct. It is the grooved pavement sign. Congrats on making it to the end. For more U.S. road signs, permit test tips, and driving prep, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Keep learning with the videos on your screen, and we'll see you in the next video.